everyone. Today I'd like to introduce a third stage separation equipment in the solid control system. This drilling fluid desilter is mainly composed of 8 sets of 4-inch cyclones, inlet manifold, outlet manifold, underflow screen, and bracket assembly. The drilling fluid is first pumped into the cyclone from the slurry inlet through the centrifugal pump. Due to the pump pressure, the mud rotates at a high speed in the cyclone. The liquid and solid in the drilling fluid are stratified by the centrifugal force. Then the solids are discharged from the bottom of the cyclone. The liquid phase overflow from the upper part of the cyclone. The overflowing mud returns to the circulation system, and the underflow solids are further screened and processed by the shell shaker and discharged out of the drilling fluid. Desilter is capable of removing harmful solids above 50 microns, improving drilling fluid performance and increasing drilling efficiency. The cyclone of this desilter is made of PU, which has high wear resistance and long service life. Our desilter can be customized according to users' requirements with different processing capacity. We also have 3 specifications of 12, 16, and 20 for the numbers of cyclones. Okay, this is all for today. Pay attention to us. The next issue will be more exciting. See you next time.